Hi, welcome to Jill's Quickie Craft, and today is demo day for the craft room.
Close enough, damn it! Shut up!
Hey, that's good!
And whoever pulls this out shall be king. Oh! There you go, bastard. I want my room now. Whatever.
You have your garage.
I did it for you.
You did it for Susan.
I did it for you and Susan, my two wonderful girls. Both of which try to kill me.
Hot in here, huh?
You ain't doing nothing when you're just standing there looking pretty. You know I'm doing all the hard work.
I'm joking to bleep that out.
Okay, wall's done. You got clean up.
Yep. I gotta put a light on it now. Alright, so as you can see, we did the bottom part of the wall, 24 inches up from the floor. And we did this to see, one, basically the condition of the wall behind the drywall, to see if there was going to be any issues that we were going to have to fix. And also to note where the studs are, that's why there's tape on the floor. And where the plates are on the studs, I marked it. I'll take you over to this one. I marked it on the floor that says plate, that way we know which one has the plates. That way when we go and screw in the drywall, hey, we're not gonna hit a plate. So on this wall here, we're gonna have to put a metal plate here, and here, and over here, after we scrape that off. I don't have a tripod, sorry. That way, when we do screw in the drywall, we're not gonna hit that line, because this line goes to the refrigerator. And this is the sink in the kitchen, because the kitchen's on that side of the wall. Now you're probably wondering what all these little green dots are. Well, the owner before us, I don't know, he had like a mad fetish with nails and screws. This room really took the hit, and our living room did too. That's not even all. Every single one of them dots is either a blemish or a hole. And you can see there's more in there that I haven't even marked up yet, all down there. So mudding and taping is gonna suck so bad. Basically, we just got the demo done. We're trying to finish up the electrical. If you've seen garage video for R3, you already know what's already going there. So I'm not even gonna tell you. This will get filled in because we don't need this. This switch was over here, so we moved it back to where it's a little bit easier to get to instead of reaching like 4 feet into a room to find the switch. It's just stupid. We adjusted it to where it's actually normal. So we're gonna leave that outlet. We're just gonna change out the box. We have this wall to do, and that's pretty much going to be all the electrical, and we'll start putting the drywall up either today, if not sometime next week. And we took out the windowsill too. The sill stone plate that was here, we took all that out. So we got to clean that up because we're going to end up replacing this. This is not impact windows. So we're going to put an impact one in there, and that's a little bit more energy efficient. These are single pane windows, so they suck. So we're going to get rid of that. Stay tuned. If you want to see continual photos of how this is going, just follow me on Instagram at Jill's Quickie Craft, and I will post photos as regularly as I can throughout the stages of the remodel. Not too bad for this weekend. Demo and electrical, and we'll have the wall up. Now we just gotta mud, tape, and sand. Ooh. Hi, welcome to Jill's Quickie Craft, and today is demo day for the craft room.
You always pause when you do craft room. Try not to pause. Today is demo day for the craft room. Today is demo day for the craft room. It's like, look, in the road, ahead. The pause kind of makes a difference. Go.
Almost saved lives.
I swerved many times before I finally hit him. Pause makes a difference. Go.
Hi, welcome to Jill's Quickie Craft, and today is demo day for the craft room.